Safety is a major focus on job sites to reduce accidents and injuries, avoid mishaps, and enhance situational awareness. The Pro XD is engineered from the inside out for job site safety, allowing drivers to meet job site regulations and providing peace of mind for work crews and fleet managers. Pro XD safety components include 3-point orange seat belts and orange decals to help improve visibility to the vehicle and surrounding workers. Adjustable speed limit capabilities to meet job site compliance. Standard backup alarm and pedestrian horn. High visibility lights and improved sight lines. Weatherproofed sealed cab to keep out dust, water, and rain. And wide footwells for easy ingress and egress. Don't let accidents slow you down. Add a Pro XD to your fleet today to increase safety without sacrificing productivity.